10 foods to eat to fight depression. Are you depressed? In this video, I will be revealing to you foods to eat to fight depression. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this, and you will also be notified whenever we upload a new video. It's not unexpected to feel depressed now and again, when it's associated with misfortune, life's battles, or a hurt confidence. In any case, if profound misery and sentiments of being sad, defenseless, and useless become a piece of your life and prevent you from living typically, you may have clinical depression, a typical however genuine mindset issue. I will be revealing to you 10 foods that fight depression. 1. Almonds. Almonds have a great deal of magnesium, which make them useful for battling depression. This is on the grounds that magnesium helps make serotonin, a vibe-decent cerebrum synthetic. This mineral additionally encourages you have vitality. Nibbling almonds consistently will help change your state of mind in an extraordinary manner. 2. Salmon. Since salmon is full omega-3 unsaturated fats, it is incredible for battling depression. Individuals who have depression for the most part don't take in enough omega-3 unsaturated fats, which enables the mind to work appropriately by bringing down the growing. 3. Green tea. Drinking tea, particularly green tea, is associated with a lot littler hazard for depression. Since it has such a significant number of cell reinforcements and amino acids, green tea can assist you with battling depression in a characteristic manner. Drink 3 to 4 cups of green tea consistently to help lift your state of mind and your general well-being too. 4. Dull chocolate. Dull chocolate can help raise serotonin levels in the body, which is practically similar to antidepressants. It likewise has starches as sugar, which will advise the body to make more serotonin. Dull chocolate will likewise hinder the creation of stress hormones, which will in this manner diminish tension. Something else dull chocolate can do is decrease the impacts of constant weakness disorder, as a result of its flavonoid content. 5. Eggs. Eggs are another extraordinary nourishment for battling depression. This is on the grounds that eggs, which are pressed with protein and different supplements, likewise have zinc. Zinc is a significant smaller-scale supplement that the body needs to help make synapses, and to keep them working appropriately. By eating nutrient loaded with zinc, similar to eggs, you can battle zinc lack and depression and perhaps different clutters. Eggs are likewise one of only a handful, not many nutrients that have nutrient D, and absence of nutrient D is associated with depression and other psychological wellness issues. 6. Bananas. In case you're consistently feeling low or depressed, have a go at eating 1 or 2 bananas. Bananas have a great deal of tryptophan, which will raise the body's serotonin level. They additionally help make tyrosine, which is required for making norepinephrine and dopamine, 2 significant synapses that can change your state of mind. 7. Blueberries. Blueberries have a ton of cell reinforcements that help the cerebrum work appropriately and raise intellectual working. They likewise help a ton against depression. Blueberries additionally have state-of-mind boosting supplements like B-perplexing, just as selenium, zinc, and potassium. Every one of these supplements help neurologic and mind well-being positively. 8. Spinach. Spinach is another good thought for battling depression. Since it is loaded up with supplements like folic corrosive, magnesium, and zinc. These are significant elements for mind well-being and battling indications of depression. Attempt to eat more spinach by utilizing it as a serving of mixed greens or for a green smoothie, or by adding it to your hot dinners. 9. Avocados. Since avocados have a lot of omega-3 unsaturated fats, they are a savvy decision for individuals with depression. Avocados are loaded with tryptophan, an amino corrosive that reduces pressure and loosen up an individual. 10. Asparagus. Another green veggie that is useful for battling depression is asparagus. Asparagus assists raise with lowering folic corrosive levels that are connected to depression. It additionally has B nutrients which can help support the state of mind. Asparagus has tryptophan, which makes serotonin in the mind and squares depression and nervousness. Our bodies interact with the foods we eat, and the choices we make each day can impact our body's ability to function at its best. Although there is no specific diet that has been proven to alleviate depression, we can see that there are plenty of nutrient-rich foods that can help to keep our brains healthy. It is a good idea to talk with your medical provider before making significant changes to your diet. Remember to also be patient with yourself as you begin to try new foods and give your body time to adjust to the changes you are making. Making better food choices can help your overall health as well as make a positive impact on your emotional wellness. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends and click the subscribe button never to miss any updates from us. More amazing secrets and tips will keep coming. Join us on the healthy side of life. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have handpicked for you to enjoy next. Stay healthy.